Evolution and life. Life is indefinable. The more scientists know, the more that they know that they do not know. Scientists are clueless on how life, that is according to the theory of evolution, could have begun. Numerous evolutionists admit this fact. Well, some refuse to admit it, but are unable to give any kind of scientific explanation as to how life began by evolutionary processes. But there's another problem. Mathematically, it is impossible that the right chemicals could have ever just come together accidentally into the correct order, even in billions of years. Now, the universe has existed for only approximately 18 billion years according to evolutionists. And we'll look at this later on in another video. Now, even if all the chemicals could accidentally arrange themselves in the right order, there is no reason to believe that the mysterious ingredient of life would be added to these chemicals. Evolutionists must believe that life would begin if the chemicals were in the correct order. A living cell that has died still has all the correct chemicals that it had when it lived, in exactly the correct order. But it is still dead. So the correct order of the chemicals does not imply that life will also be present. Evolutionists have not been able to clear that hurdle. So, does life begin just because the chemical order is correct? Well, there's no scientific reason to believe that this would be the case. Scientists are still not even close to forming life from inorganic material. That is, chemicals, materials, rocks, etc., that have never been part of living matter in the past. If some of the most intelligent scientists on Earth cannot form life, why would scientists begin to believe it could occur accidentally? Now, life is the greatest mystery on Earth, and life only comes from life. This is a scientific law, and no exception has ever been found. This law is called the Law of Biogenesis. Now, scientists can speculate that things happened a certain way, such as life beginning accidentally. But this kind of speculation has nothing to do with real science. Until scientists can show that life can come about by accidental arrangement of chemicals, the theory remains speculation, but not science. So the following problems have never been solved by evolutionists. 18 billion years is less than 1/1,000,000th of the time needed for there to even be a chance that the chemicals could arrange correctly for life to form accidentally. In other words, it is mathematically impossible. And number two, according to the law of biogenesis, life comes only from life. And number three, proper order of chemicals, if that could have occurred accidentally, would not bring about the most important ingredient, that is, life itself. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.